Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we quickly want to simplify this beautiful math problem without using a calculator. Remember, calculators not allowed. 13 raised to power 41 minus 169 raised to power 20. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Here we're going to solve two different problems. Let's call this number one. We have the given equation. We have the given nice math problem 13 raised to power 41 minus 169 raised to power 20 is equal to unknown. Now 169 is equal to 13 square. So this is equal to 13 raised to power 41 minus 13 square raised to power 20. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. So this is 13 square raised to power 20 is equal to 13 raised to power 2 multiplied by 20, that is 40. Then the whole of this become 30 raised to power 41 minus 30 raised to power 40. Here is 40. Now at this point, we know that this is 40 and this is 41. 41 is equal to 40 plus 1. So the whole of this can be written as 30 raised to power, this is 40 plus 1 minus 30 raised to power 40. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. So this is equal to 13 raised to power 40 multiplied by 13 raised to power 1 minus 30 raised to power 40. You can see that 30 raised to power 40 is common. Let's bring it out. Here we have 13 raised to power 40 bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 13 raised to power 1 minus, if you divide this 30 raised to power 40 by this 13 raised to power 40, this is 1. And this is equal to 30 raised to power 40 bracket 13 minus 1. This is equal to 13 raised to power 40 bracket 12. And our final answer is 12 multiplied by 13 raised to power 40. Therefore, here will be 12 multiplied by 13 raised to power 40. We've solved the first problem. Let us solve this second one. Number 2. If you have 8 raised to power 33 minus 2 raised to power 98, you can simplify this without calculator. Then from here, 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3, and 8 raised to power 33 will be equal to 2 raised to power 3 to the power of 33, and this is equal to 2 raised to power 99. So the whole of this become 2 raised to power 99 minus 2 raised to power 98. 99 is equal to 98 plus 1. Then this is equal to 2 raised to power 98 plus 1 minus 2 raised to power 98. This is equal to 2 raised to power 98 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to power 98. And this is equal to 2 raised to power 98 is common. We bring it out. Here we have 2 raised to power 1 minus 1. And this is equal to 2 raised to power 98 bracket 2. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 98. So here